Hello everyone, my name is Angela and this is To Renew Crafts and Creations. I'm here today to show you how to make a weaver's knot. I found that while making macrame projects, sometimes your cord is just a little too short and you need to add cord on. And I found the easiest way to do that is with this weaver's knot. So I'm using two different colors just for the purposes of showing you how to do it, but you would most likely be using the same color cord. But we're going to pretend that the red cord is our project that we're working on and our cord is too short. So let's take the end of that cord, take the blue cord, which is our new cord that we want to add on. We're going to take the red cord over the blue and hold it in place. Take your blue cord, wrap it around both of them, then wrap it around just the red cord. Take the red cord back over the first loop and through the second loop, the larger loop. Hold on to both cords of the red. Take your new blue cord and give it a light tug. Just slowly pull. As you pull, it's going to tighten. At this point, it's pretty tight, so we're going to go ahead and let go of the little cord. Just grab a hold of the long cord on both sides and give it as tight of a tug as you can. And that is your weaver's knot. All you have to do is cut off the ends of your strands as close as possible. Okay, and then there you have it, one very tight weaver's knot, and you can continue your work.